what is affiliate marketing? If you are an affiliate, you are a middleman or a connecting media between a merchant and a customer. You tie up with a merchant who has a product, you promote a product on social media or your website, the customer sees that product and he purchases it, and in the process, you earn commission. The merchant gives you a commission because that merchant got a sale because of you. Almost all popular companies are using affiliate marketing to drive customers, be it Amazon, Flipkart, Ola, Uber, Swiggy. Almost all popular companies are doing it. But the most important question is how affiliate marketing will help you. Well, the benefit is definitely online earning. So, as an affiliate, you have that kind of potential to earn and grow big. If you search on internet, you will find that globally people are earning millions of dollars in Indian rupees. It is 5 to 7 crore rupees every single month from affiliate marketing. Yes, it took them some time, but if they generate 5 crore rupees a month, it started with 5,000. So to start with affiliate marketing, you need two things. First, find a product that you want to promote and register yourself with an affiliate program that provides you that product to the market. When you register yourself with that affiliate program, you'll be getting a unique link or promo code. With the help of that link, if you promote it on social media and if you get a sale, you will earn commission on that. So it's a very basic, very simple thing to do. Okay. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you're making money from the comfort of your home. Many big brands, including Amazon, is offering affiliate commissions and seeking for affiliate persons to promote their products. So I'll just show you what it is and how it does work. Okay, when you just think that you're going to an Amazon website. So how affiliate marketing works is that, let's say you are like shopping through the Amazon and you find a particular product and you really love it and you want to recommend it to your friends. So what you can do is, instead of just plainly recommending it to your friends, you can just get an affiliate link from Amazon for that particular product. You can just send that link to your friends, and when they click on that link and they buy the product that you recommended, you can get a commission. So instead of like plainly recommending it to your friends, you're going to be sending them through your affiliate link. Okay, so when they click on that link, buy the product, you're going to be getting a commission within the 24-hour cookie range. So the cookie period for Amazon is like 24 hours. So what is a cookie period? Let's say you are leaving the link somewhere on your website or on a YouTube channel, and let's say that someone is clicking on the link and they come onto Amazon, and if you buy the product within 24 hours, you get a commission. So if they don't buy the product within 24 hours, you don't get a commission. Okay, that's how it works. And even if they click on your link and they buy any other product, you get commission for all the products that they purchased from his cart. So it doesn't matter whatever product they buy, but if they click on your link and they buy the product from Amazon within the 24 hours time frame, you get a commission. So that is what a cookie period is. Each affiliate program will have different cookie period duration. That is another thing that you have to look at when you are like signing up to an affiliate program. Okay, so this is the Amazon commission rates. Like for apparels, accessories, luggage bags, washes, shoes, they'll pay you 9% of the commission. So you can just go through and look into it. So my favorite subject is television, computer, consumer electronics, and accessories because I'm more into it. So whatever you see in this digital world, either they promote the product, they promote a business, or they promote a service. Okay, so whenever you see a YouTube video, whenever you see an unboxing video, they show you a link in the description. That link is nothing but the affiliate link. Not only Amazon, guys, there are plenty of sites which are having affiliate programs. Okay, so this is the e-commerce and online shopping affiliate programs. We have best affiliate programs there for travel, that is TripAdvisor, OYO, so many other. And job portals are also there, Monster, Indeed, Career Builder, Freelance.in. Then we have matrimonial as well, Shaadi, Bharat Matrimony, Angel Matrimony, health and fitness affiliate programs are also there. Okay, and we have photography affiliate programs. Okay, so there are so many other. So the 7 key benefits of affiliate marketing. Okay, there's no qualification required to start an affiliate marketing business. This business is totally tension free because you don't have to create a product. You promote other people's product. You don't have to take care of the courier or the delivery. You don't have to think about the taxes. All of that is taken care by the owner of the product or the merchant. You as an affiliate do only 2% of the work, rest 98% of the headache is handled by the merchant. So what is that 2% of work? Okay, promote. That's simple. Okay, now the third thing is that you can work from anywhere. It gives you that flexibility because internet is everywhere, social media is available everywhere. In affiliate marketing, you will be your own boss. You don't have anybody to give you target or time limits or pressurize or force you to do any work. Now, as an affiliate, you will be an independent business owner. You will be an independent affiliate. You can create your own pitch by yourself because it's up to you. You can decide your goal, put in your efforts, and then earn money from that. And you need very less investment on time. You will have 24 into 7 customers following. You know why? Because the internet is active every time. And most importantly, you will get good commission. So here I'm going to share you 10 killer ways to do affiliate marketing. So first is start a review website. So you can actually start a review website and review different products. People make a lot of money doing it. Okay, you could create a niche blog or an authority website. You go out there, you find some traffic for an authority type website, you build your site, you link to an affiliate product saying click here to get it, and if someone buys that product, you're going to earn commission. Okay, then you can create a coupon website and start earning commission. Number four, you can answer questions on forums about products. This is a method that you can do without a website as well. Okay, one example is Quora. Quora is a platform where people ask questions. Anyone can answer to those questions. This is a shortcut method to affiliate marketing where you use the visitors to Quora and convert those visitors into potential leads. For example, if someone asks which is the best online tool to design social media posters, I can say I use Canva Pro to design my stunning posters. Here's how it works, here's why I like it, and here is what it does. Click here to register. You can answer questions on forums about the products. You don't even need your own website for that. Okay, you must be active. You must be active, and you have to get more visitors. Okay, the more active you are, you get more visitors, and the more leads you're going to get through your affiliate link. It is like a passive income. The little bit of work you have to do is just leave your comment. There are lots and lots of products and services out there which you can promote on Quora. There are so many other forums also out there. Whichever niche you are in, you can just go and search on Google. If you are into fitness niche, you can just go and search into fitness forums. You can give a genuine answers to their questions, and you can leave your product there with the affiliate link. Don't spam and put your links everywhere. Okay, people will get annoyed with that. You need to be genuine in reviewing. So this is one of the easiest ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, now the fifth point is you can create a niche YouTube channel. So many people on YouTube are having a YouTube channel, but they think that only way they can make money on YouTube is just through AdSense. But for all your hard work, guys, you don't want to just concentrate on ad revenue alone. You can make money by putting in affiliate links below each of your video in the description. If you want to make money with just a small channel and just a few number of subscribers, affiliate marketing is a very good choice. So you can see in this video, they have put the affiliate marketing link to the Amazon website, right? Now the sixth point is you can create a niche Instagram or Facebook audience and promote your affiliate link there. Okay, so you might say that I figured out this cool product, check it out. You can get active on Facebook groups and share your affiliate link there. You need to continuously put on posts on Facebook and Instagram to show that you're very active. So that is when Facebook will share your content. You don't know, right, which post will go viral. So when something goes viral, this is when you get eyeballs, and that is when people come to your Facebook and Instagram page and they will like your post and interact. Okay, and you have to be very interactive. That is when you engage with the audience, and that is when they really like you. Okay, you shouldn't be just focused only on sales. You need putting your affiliate link everywhere. Okay, put a valuable post, and that is when people really trust you and they'll buy the product. You have many Facebook groups focused on niches. Okay, you can join those groups and post in those groups so that many people will see that post. Okay, and another method is that you can review on LinkedIn. If you are promoting a professional product like courses, tools, software related to your career, you can leave a review on LinkedIn. There's an option in LinkedIn to write article where you can write a review article with your affiliate link. For example, I attended this course and it was very useful for building up my confidence on this particular field, or you can just post it on your status. So you can use your LinkedIn audience for your professional related products. Okay, you have LinkedIn groups where people are very active. You can share your article on those groups and I'm sure you'll get good response. Okay, now the 8th point is email marketing. Email marketing is an act of sending commercial messages typically to a group of people using email. You can start a newsletter or a daily tips mail. Make sure you don't have to send it to spam folder because all your hard work is going to be a waste. So make sure you send it to their inbox. That is how you can get close to them. Okay, that is the importance of email marketing. There are different ways that you can collect an email list and how to make sure that your email is going to the inbox and not to spam folder. So these are some of the free traffic sources, but if you have money to invest, you can get paid traffic sources as well. Okay, so you can send paid ads to simple affiliate sites. This is one of my favorite. Okay, you can make a website and send some good paid ads to it and start getting affiliate commissions. You can run ads on Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Instagram. Almost all these ad services are giving free credits so that you can make utilize of it. Okay, if you can see, we have Google Ads is giving 2000 rupees ad credit. Okay, and we have YouTube ads giving 100 free credit, $100 ad credit when you spend $50 on your video ads. And we have LinkedIn, which is giving $50 as free ad credits. Okay, one advantage of paid ad is that you'll get targeted customers. You can choose their demographics like which age, which gender, which location of the people should see your ad. You can also choose like people interested in this niche would see my ad. Okay, so that is you can get targeted clicks to your affiliate products. Okay, the Facebook ad rates are very cheap nowadays. Okay, paid ads itself, there are many methods. You can give a banner ad on any website which has paid ads. Okay, which has a Google AdSense. You can choose like you want to show your ad to this particular YouTube video or to this particular website. Okay, now the 10th point is solo ads. Okay, what is solo ads? Solo ads are a form of email marketing where you pay the list owner to send marketing emails to the list to promote your products or services on behalf of you. That can be physical product or digital product sold by you or someone else. Let's say you have an affiliate product and you want to promote it, and let's say you want targeted clicks so that you can get sales. Okay, what you can do is you can contact solo ads providers, so they'll have their own email list for targeted people who are interested in that particular niche. Okay, they will send your affiliate link to all their email list, so you can decide whether you want to send people straight to your product page or to your blog and then direct them to the products. There is a website called Fiverr where you can search for solo ad providers. When you're selecting, make sure you are checking their rating and doing it. Okay, 4.5 and above is a good rating. Okay, so these are the top 10 ways that I've listed now. Since you guys have stayed till the end, I have plus one bonus way to earn money through affiliate marketing. Okay, that is resell your website. That is resell your affiliate website. As you can see, okay, as you can see here, there's an affiliate website that earns $1,055 per month, can easily be sold for $60,000 and plus. Okay, so when you create an affiliate website, okay, you are building an online real estate that grows in value and can be sold at a later date. Affiliate website often sells for much more than their average monthly income. So that is the power of affiliate marketing. Okay, now we'll discuss the 3 secrets to become a high earning affiliate marketer. So far, I've told you what is affiliate marketing, the benefits, the different ways to do it, but now it comes the main part, the earning part. Listen to it very carefully, okay? The first secret is the product, because that is the main thing that you are going to promote. To find a good product, high selling product that you can get good income, shows a good response from the market. Okay, you need to understand a very basic thing, that your product should be a necessity to the people. Now, in this COVID-19 scenario, these people don't want to invest much on physical products. They want to spend on digital products. They want to sit at their home and they want to use their product at their home only. Okay, just in one click. But what kind of digital products do people need? People need those kind of digital products now, which they can either increase their sales, or they can exceed their career, or which can help them to earn online. Okay, tell me honestly, like, you, it's a think about yourself. You are here because you are actually looking for something to earn online, right? There are millions of people who are looking to earn online, and they are looking for these kind of trainings, these kind of sessions for that. So product should be necessity. People want to improve their skills, people want to improve their career, they want to make good videos, they want to become a digital marketer, they want to earn online, they want to become a YouTuber, they want to become a social media influencer, they want to earn money out of that. Okay, these things are in huge demand right now. So your product should be in that category to earn big income from that. Now your product should provide a solution, then only you will get a good income. It should be a value for the money to the customer. Okay, now the second secret, when you found a product, you got to registered, like you got registered in an affiliate program, and you need to market their product. So I've told you all the different ways which you can promote it. You can use content. Okay, what type of content? You can use text, you can use image, you can use a video. Okay, the kind of revenue that you will in the short span of time with a video marketing can be never be imaginable. It will be huge. Okay, so you will need to be good at video marketing. So that is the second secret, that you need to put content. Now the third secret is a platform, the ecosystem. Whatever platform you're choosing, you need to take action consistently. All of them want to earn and learn how to make money. Okay, and the most important thing is not everyone will be able to do so. You know why? Because people don't follow these three secrets. You need to put in your efforts. Okay, nobody will be able to duplicate each other's results, because each one's result will be different depending upon their learning and their efforts on how much action they want to put.